Hi, welcome to Marketing Biz TV. Today we're going to talk about guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing is an unconventional marketing strategy used to promote your brand, your service, your product, saving you costs. Okay, well let's have a look. Promo space hire versus guerrilla marketing. Look how expensive promo space hire is. To put a stand or people inside the bull ring, for example. We know there is a huge amount of footfall that walks through shopping centres daily, but how can we capitalise on this? First we look at OTS, opportunity to see, versus engagement. Have a look at this picture. On the left hand side to the right, there is a promotional stand right there. It's the amount of time people walk past the stand gives you your opportunity to see. Shopping centres should be used for publicity stunts or if you have a niche product. OTS is mostly used in the TV world. It has a high reach. Brand engagement directly, this is when an actual customer interacts with your brand. Guerrilla marketing does not have to be a general interaction. It could be subliminal messages. It could be floor stencils. It could be sailing something down the River Thames. Something somewhere that's unconventional that captures the eye of your target audience. The good thing is, we can have well-trained brand ambassadors in and around the vicinity where you have the high footfall traffic. This gives us a better chance of directly approaching the customer in a friendly manner and asking them if they would like to try our service, our product, or collect data. This is guerrilla marketing. The results can be as equal to being inside the shopping centre as well as being outside the shopping centre, so it saves you a huge amount of budget. Thank you very much for listening. Subscribe below to Marketing Biz TV for more new updates and more new videos coming straight to you. Thank you very much.